Hi everybody, and welcome to another dance tutorial of Starseed House of Dance. Today we're going to share with you how to dance the basic movement of Rumba and some tips for technique improvement. Enjoy! Basic movement without turn. Basic movement is a group of 6 steps in which the first action for a man is a check forward walk, then a weight replacement, after a side step, then a backward walk, then a weight replacement again, and finishing with a side step. Lady starts opposite with a backward walk. Footwork is ball flat for all 6 steps. After taking every action, knees has to be straightened. Timing: 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 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 4 and 1. During the basic movement, a close hold is maintained in which a strong frame should be applied in order to dance as one and synchronized. Although the distance between the couple varies due to the different actions between the leader and the follower, and breathing action is used between them bodies. Timing: 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 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 4 and 1. Basic movement turn to left. Basic movement can be turned up to 1/4 to left, having completed the 6th step of the figure. Instead of a side step, we are using a forward and a backward walk turning. Timing: 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 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 4 and 1. The follower has to be on the right side of the leader. During the forward and the backward walks, the partners have to step between each other's feet in order to make the turn effortlessly and not to step on their partner's feet. We transfer our weight completely on each step except on check forward walk, in which the weight is transferred partly. Basic movement in open position. In basic movement in an open position, we move forward and backward without any turn. We are using forward and backward walks instead of side steps and turning walks. Do not forget to keep your posture at all times and be careful of your footwork technique. Do not raise your toes off the floor and always have a slight turnout between your feet. Timing. 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 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 4 and 1. The leader and the follower stand in approximately arm's length apart. The hold is left hand to right hand. The palms are lowered approximately to the hip level and elasticity is kept throughout the figure. There are numerous but specific figures that you can use prior and after this figure. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and follow us on social media. If you would like to see a specific tutorial, you can comment below and we will create it for you. See you at the next one.